everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Join me today as I show you a simple, fun recipe for cashew butter truffles, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Hello to all my Foxhole fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. As I said top of the show, it's all about cashew butter truffles this week. It's a simple fun recipe that doesn't take a whole lot of ingredients, but they're going to be simple, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright guys, to start off our cashew butter truffles, what I'm going to go ahead and do is take a cup of cashew butter, softened. Now Dave, have you ever had cashew butter before?
No, I have not.
So this could be a new experience for both of us here today.
This could be a new experience, yeah.
When I was kind of planning out the episodes, I knew there was a reason I had this on the schedule, and it kind of dawned on me, so we'll do what we can here.
Sure.
Next up, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
Okay.
To that, we're going to add half a cup of almond flour. You may need more depending on like the texture you're looking for. And then a third of a cup of maple syrup. You can't go wrong with maple syrup. And especially this time of year, especially in our area, you're seeing a lot of local providers having their own maple syrup.
Oh yeah.
Town near where Dave and I are from actually has its Maple Fest this weekend, so.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Myersdale.
Oh yeah.
And then what we're going to do is just go ahead and mash these together.
Okay.
And then we'll move on.
Sounds good.
Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes here, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is use our trusty cookie scoop here, and I'm just going to scoop out individual balls here, and just plop it down here on my cookie sheet here. And then once I get it all portioned out, I'm going to stick these in the refrigerator for a half hour to get them cooled down even more. How do you think they're looking, Dave?
I think they're looking good.
For this being a first time recipe, I mean, this is definitely something a little different, a little outside the box, especially for me. I mean, I know you've made truffles before in the past. So, we'll see how it goes here.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and do this here. Alright, while our butter truffles are setting up here, I'm going to go ahead and make the chocolate here. I'll take a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips here. And to that, I'm going to add, how much coconut oil, Dave?
2 teaspoons.
And then I'm just going to microwave this here for about a minute until it's smooth.
Okay.
Okay. Alright guys, let's go ahead and coat our truffles here. Take it in a fork and just roll around in our chocolate mixture here. Just let the excess kind of drain off. And just slide it over to our second sheet. And I'm just going to keep doing this until we get everything good to go here. But before that, I'm also going to throw on a little bit of crushed up cashews, just to kind of top it off.
Okay.
And then we're going to just throw these in the freezer until they're nice and set up.
Okay.
now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did here. The crushed up cashews add a nice little texture to it. You guys are gonna love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food, only on Baking with Foxella Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.